More details about Peru basic facts location. West coast of South America, along the Pacific Ocean. Capital, Lima. Languages, Spanish, official, plus many indigenous languages, Quechua, Aymara, etc. Currency, Peruvian sol, pen. Population, about 34 million. Geography nature Peru is extremely diverse for its size, with three main regions, Costa, coast, deserts and fertile valleys, big cities like Lima, Trujillo. Sierra, Andes Mountains, high peaks, Inca sites, traditional villages, Cusco, Arequipa. Selvi, Amazon jungle, part of the Amazon basin, Iquitos, Puerto Maldonado. Highlights, Andes Mountains, some peaks over 6000 m, HSM. Lake Titicaca, one of the world's highest navigable lakes. Amazon rainforest, huge biodiversity, river lodges, wildlifters. Sources such as canyons, among the deepest canyons in the world. History, culture, ancient civilizations, Norte Chico, Mosh, Nazca, Dabari, and especially the Inca Empire centered around Cusco. Spanish conquest, едно 6th century, created the Viceroyalty of Peru. Independence, early едно 9th century, today Peru blends indigenous, Spanish, African, and Asian influences. Cultural features, languages and traditions from Quechua and the Aymara peoples remain strong. Festivals, Inti Raymi, Inca Sun Festival, Virgen de la Candelaria, many local fiestas with music and dance. Textiles and crafts, colorful woven fabrics, alpaca wool, ceramics, silver whip. Major attractions Machu Picchu, Inca citadel in the mountains, usually reached from Cusco or via the Inca Trail. Sacred Valley, Esses, terraces and traditional markets. Cusco, colonial city built on Inca foundations. Arequipa is also canyon, white volcanic stone architecture and Candarvayan. Nazca Lines, huge ancient geodelvages in the desert. Iquitos наклонена черта Amazon, river cruises, jungle stays. Echesiceni, desert oasis with a sandyboard and dune buggies. Echezeti Cordillera Blanca, trekking and mountaineering. Food, very famous globally, ceviche, raw fish cooked in lime juice with chili and onions. Lomo salteado, safred beef with onions, tomatoes, fries, and rice. Aji de gallina, shredded chicken in a creamy chili sauce. Kousa, layered potato dish with fillings like tuna or chicken. Anticichus, grilled stews, often beef heart. Drinks, pisco sour, cocktail, chicha morada, purple corn drink, Inca Cola, soft drink. Practical tips for visiting best time. Andes наклонена черта Highlands, May, September, dry season. Coast, December, March, warm and sunny. Altitude, Cusco and Lake Titicaca are high, planned not 2 days to acclimatize. Safety, tourist areas are generally fine with normal precautions. Watch belongings in big cities. Health, use bottle наклонена черта filtered water, because a sweet street food until your stomach adjusts more about Peru, focusing on what most travelers and learners find interesting. If you want, I can later turn this into a DIY travel plan or a quick Peru in 5-minute summary. Едно, regions in more depth coast, Lucasta, climate, mostly dry desert with pockets of green valleys. Lima is humid but rarely very hot or very cold. Key places, Lima, neighborhoods, Miraflores, clifftop parks, awesome views, Barranco, Bohemian, street art, bars, central plazas, colonial buildings. Museums, Lorco Museum, Resume Benart, Museo de Lonesen, Mali, Lima Art Museum. Paracas Islas Balestas, Pormnes Delpedos Sea Lions, birds, sometimes penguins. Esitchesicini, desert oasis with big dunes for sandyboard and buggies. Trujillo y Chiclayo, northern colonial cities near incredible archaeological sites like Chan Chan and the Lord of Saipan tombs. Missouri northern beaches, warmer water, surfing and cat surfing. Highlands наклонена черта Andes, Lucierra, climate, Cool to cold nights, strong sun in the day. Key areas, Cusco Sacred Valley, Inca walls and streets, nearby ruins, Sissechumen, Tenkyov Essis, Untlitembo, Mori Terraces, Maras Salt Mines. Machu Picchu, access by train from Cusco наклонена черта Untlitemborvai Treks, Inca Trail, Silkentoy, Loris. Strict daily entry limits, tickets and train slots must be bought in advance. Arequipa, White City built with volcanic stone, gateway to Solse Canyon. Lake Titicaca, Puno Yuras floating Great Islands, Tivan Damenten Islands with homestays. Echorizetti Cordillera Blanca, some of South Temersa's best trekking and climbing, Laguna 69, Santa Cruz Trek. Amazon, Luselvi, entry points, Iquitos, only reachable by plane or riverboat, good for cruises.